Alrighty, good morning everyone. Alright, so having a look here at GJ real quick, we've just had some pound news. Let's see how the news came out. Retail sales. Forex factory a little bit slow as always. No. Yeah, numbers look like they came out fairly bad here for the pound. Which is unfortunate because looked like we were setting up for some nice bars. Based off the daily here, you can see we've got a daily support level formed at 168, 140. Your 4-hour candle also had closed bullish, basically right on that level, or right on this previous 4-hour resistance. And then also if we look a little bit further to the left, we had this kind of trend line going on here, which we are sitting on right now. So I was hoping to see us actually have good news here for the pound and react bullish off some of these levels, and then I suppose other than that you can say that GJ is actually in a range here. Alright, so if we do want to see these bars, I think at this point we need to see a break of resistance at 168, 683. Alright, so bars above that level right there. Other than that, GJ's in a range right here. And since your daily bias will be bullish just based off the daily candle. Alright, like I said, closed bullish yesterday. Looking left, we have retested some of this previous resistance area. I really would like to just stick to the bars here. 4-hour also closed bullish. Yeah, other than that, obviously news came out bad for the pound. We dropped straight down here, no top wick on this hourly. So let's see how heavily this news impacts us. If it's not too bad, you could still expect to see this hourly candle flip bullish and continue with our overall bullish bias here. In terms of targets, your first resistance is sitting right up here at 169, 372. Also looking at the same targets as yesterday, 170 flat, and then we'll just work with that for now. Let's go have a quick look at gold. Yeah, beautiful. We moved down yesterday later in the day, but we've moved into support now, so this is going to be a troublesome area. Alright, so we are looking for price to move into 1616 here today on gold. Right now at the moment looks like your 30 minutes is maybe consolidating. It looks like we formed support here. So we might need a closure below the support if you want sells to 1616. Yeah, on gold. Could even retrace to 1625 and look for price to form resistance in this area. But yeah, main idea here is to also just be sticking with the sells based off the daily time frame. I know we are moving into a support, alright, but our targets for the week were to fill this wick. Looking on the hourly time frame, below 1620, we definitely have nowhere else to go but 1616. Alright, this range right here is just clean traffic. Morning guys, what's up everyone? Sorry. Oh, my nose. Got allergies this morning. What's up, fat pig? COVID-19. Yeah, that news drove us down here on GJ, but then it's kind of stalled as we've retested this trend line and daily support area. So let's see what this candle does. If we can flip on this candle, I would expect us to drive up for this range, and then we're looking for that closure above 168.685 for some nice buys here on GJ today. Yeah, I got the jab. Funnily enough, the only time I ever got COVID was immediately after I got the jab, like the week after. Load of shit. Yeah, I'll be right back, guys. obviously, as prices breaking into this range, alright, there is potential to move down to 167,700. But yeah, like I've discussed, based off the daily, we've got support right here. 4 hours also bullish. I'm not too eager on sells within that range, so I'll rather just wait and see the buys set up here. If you're looking at yesterday's candle, how we closed bullish, alright, we are closing bullish on previous resistance. Now your new daily candle basically came straight down. Okay, so we closed bullish yesterday. You would expect today's candle to also continue to drive up, maybe to fill the range here, at least to 169,350, let's say. But we've come down, created a bottom wick. Now we are retesting this daily support area. If we get a nice reaction off here and your daily candle can flip bullish, you can expect us to have a very high probability of driving up to some of our targets here. I was just saying, gold sells on the break of previous hourly lows don't look too bad at all. Using current candle stops, that would be about 27 pips. We've got a target here of 30 pips and definitely potential for runners if we break below 1616. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of previous hourly lows right here. So let's have a look. 1619,900 will be my sell stop. We wait for closure. Well, in theory, we've got closures here already. Your previous hourly closed bearish. Your 4-hour closed bearish. And we've got clean traffic to the left. And why am I not in? Yeah, I never quite broke the low on my broker here. But once this candle re-breaks its own low, I should be in sells here. What's my sell stop on my MT4? Sell stop is 16.19.80 on my broker here. So about a pip difference from Oranda here on TradingView. And my stop loss is 16.22.60. So yeah, on TradingView it's gonna be 16.22.700 for about 28 pips. Still not in here. Never got triggered in. What broker's chart I use on TradingView? I've got Oranda here. BE 1616. Yeah, let's have another look at that. Most probably, since this range is really clean, yeah, I'll leave break even at 1616. Should get triggered in any second, yeah. GJ just sitting here right now. Accumulating orders maybe. Very, very close to being triggered in. I'm on Discord already, Nico. Yeah, once it breaks that level, it's gonna run pretty quickly, most probably. Can you hear me, Nico? Oh, my volume is down. Hey, that's not my fault.
We're figuring out that you fucking need to put your volume on PC.
I didn't even know you're on. I only saw you're on now.
To myself.
Yeah, you're talking to yourself.
I've been here for over 5 minutes, bro. Just waiting for you to try to figure it out.
Sorry. Yeah, what's up?
Didn't you get in on this now? Like, did it come down and then you play sell stop?
No, I had a sell stop. It actually was on the break of this previous hourly low, and we broke the low here on Oanda, but my sell stop never got triggered in on my broker.
What's your sell stop on the broker? 80, eh? Not
80, yeah.
Yes,
So it's like it was half a pip below the previous hourly. Yeah, no, obviously the charts are like a couple pips off.
Yeah, obviously our broker with spreads gonna change. There's no spread there. But we should actually tell Wayne that, because Wayne might get triggered in early. Wayne, you do understand that we put ours like maybe like 1 pip underneath what you would be looking at. Like 16, 19.8. It's just because of the 10 to 15 spread from our Forex.
Yeah, Wayne knows his shit. %100%.
Connor,
Yeah.
take your phone pic. I'm gonna send you something.
Yeah, I'm on my phone.
Right.
Morning, Luke. We just had a 30-minute candle closure. Yeah, you see there, we're closing below that support we had marked up. But we are starting to come close to London Open, so I'll leave this in for 2 minutes. Maybe for the next 5 minutes I'll leave it in. Otherwise I'm deleting it. Yeah, GJ, I mean, it's quite a messy area here. I don't want to look too deeply on the lower time frames. I want to see that 4-hour flip bullish again. And like I was talking about, that level at 168, 685 above there. You got quite nice clean range moving back up, so we'll wait for a break
Connor,
above
we're
there.
breaking hours on gold. Wait, we matched it, didn't break it.
It's only on a 15. But yeah, maybe we want to wait for London Open at this point.
There is a bottom wick, that's the thing, on the 15. And that's it. So
Yeah, it's definitely valid. That's why I wanted to give it like 5 minutes.
the thing is, it's respecting the 30 body high. You see that?
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely like some level of resistance right here. So as we tap there, that might be the high for this 30-minute candle.
I mean, if I could come back now, then
Yeah, full margin GBPJPYs.
you said that.
I don't know.
Yeah, but Steph, imagine it breaks that low, bro.
I mean, the thing is, we had quite a strong push. What happens at this time? 5 o'clock in the morning. There's always these moves at 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't understand. It's like 2 hours after Asian Open. I don't know if you would call this pre-London, but we had quite a strong push a little bit earlier on. So right now, price is consolidating. You can see we formed support at 1620. So a clear break below this consolidation area, and we should fill the rest of this range to the left here. I really want to find out what happens at 5:30. Something happens, I'm telling you. Yeah, on gold, there's really nice moves at that time.
How we go?
Here we go.
Oh, let's hope that 5-minute close is very. Close, you can delete shell stop when 5-minute closes with this big wick to the top.
Yeah.
You can close after those 5 minutes or not, like we need to.
Just have a look here.
5 minutes is leaving the mouse. Are we jamming together today?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna give Jim a skip today. Got some errands to run.
You told me yesterday.
Yeah, I did. I did some arms and cardio. My legs are smashed. My legs are destroyed.
You really don't want to go gym chest.
I just don't know if I'm gonna have time. I gotta see a couple people today in the afternoon, or after stream actually. So I'll see what time I get done. Alright. Let's delete sell stops and wait for London Open. Sell stops have been deleted.
I can't get my laptop to catch up faster than like 20 seconds.
In the settings for the YouTube video, go to playback speed and click like ×2. See if it catches up. Actually, I'm gonna have a look here, see if mine's delayed.
I don't think, like I said, I think it's the laptop, bro. Because on my phone, I do it pretty easily. It's catching up. So. Yeah, bro. You put on time, so I think catch up to where the fuck you are. And it's like 2 seconds behind.
Yeah, the stream is delayed by like 7 seconds, but that's
normal.
That's normal. That's about as good as it gets.
100%. But that's why I was saying it's my laptop, but it's not the stream. But now it's fine, like the playback speed thing works.
Helped it. Okay.
Yeah.
Hope it doesn't do what it did last week and waterfall down after we delete. Yeah, even if it does, you know, this is something that
we've
discussed, and you know, London session you can see some pullback. So the idea is, why would you get into a trade so close to London Open when you know there's a very high probability of sitting in drawdown? We don't really want to sit in drawdown, and obviously we don't know how far price will pull back before it maybe does go in our direction. So that's just what we're trying to avoid there. You know, it's just one of those things that you have no control over, but you have to account for it and, you know, do the right things.
I mean, technically 9 o'clock should show us more volume than what we're seeing right now. So even if we're in a position now, we might get stomped out if we're not at BE. And if we're at BE, it might just be a BE trade, which is fine, but yeah. I don't want to get a BE trade just because of the volume and I could have waited till now. Actually.
Yeah, I mean, whichever way we break out of this consolidation here at London Open, we could potentially move up, fill this range, or break the lows and move down and fill this range. I would obviously just like to stick to sells based off of obviously our higher time frame buys here.
We still have some shit to fall to the left, dude. So I'm also bearish for now. I do think our level of support's coming up soon, though. It's gonna bounce back to this. Not top. Go up.
Yeah, but we probably will bounce off the lows here and maybe like consolidate in this area because it's Friday. I mean, There's not too much going on today.
The new.
Just some minor USD news later today.
You start any of those books yet, or you just bought them yesterday?
I'm still reading another little book, so I haven't started them yet, but I'll probably start, if not this weekend, next week.
You know which one you're gonna start?
Probably the Napoleon Hill one.
No, I'll finish Think and Grow Rich. I want to read that Art of War, I believe.
You finished Think and Grow Rich?
No, when I do finish it, I would like to.
I was gonna say yes, you read fucking quick.
No, bro. I bought a puzzle as well yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Puzzle as well, bro. My
Easy.
You know, bro, you guess what happened to me last night, dog? From yesterday, from 3 p.m., we had load shedding 3 to 6.
Yeah.
After 6, comes on for 5 minutes, bro. Goes off again. Oh, man, what's up, these people? You see what's going on now with these fucking idiots? Some transmitter thing broke, whatever. Technicians on the way. Guess when my power came on, bro?
When? This morning?
Like 2 minutes to 12. Last night.
Fuck's sakes.
For 9 fucking hours, bro. Yo, I wish I could find out where they're working on this fucking transmitter so I can go drive into something. Maybe give them some brain cells.
Yeah. Go give them a little chat there.
Oh, but hey guys, pack cookies. Just a pack cookies. Anyway, yeah, I went to bed at like 20 to 8 last night, bro. Woke up at like 6 this morning.
Are you serious? 20 to 8?
Yeah, bro, like it was loading. I was fucking bored, dude.
Oh yeah, I suppose there's fuck all to do.
Yeah, but I mean, I did wake up like pretty early yesterday compared to normal. I woke up like 2-3 hours earlier than normal.
Yeah.
So like 20 to 8, I was like, fuck that. It's either nap time and my light's gonna wake me up with the power, or it's nap time, you know what I mean? So, oh, and I slept, bro. Power never came on at 12. My light was off the whole fucking time. So I slept.
So at least you had a good night's sleep.
Oh, bro, I woke up tired, bro. I told you I don't sleep like this. So when I sleep
Oh,
like
you
this,
probably overslept.
yeah, bro.
I find oversleeping is cuck. I'd actually rather get a
make
lack of
sense.
sleep.
It really doesn't make sense.
I know
You
it
sleep so much.
doesn't.
Oh. Yeah. Well, nothing 4 scoops of pre-workout can't fix, but
4 scoops of pre-workout and a monster.
why does that shock you so much, bro? I don't understand it. Isn't that like normal when you get used to caffeine?
Not that used to caffeine. Yes.
I just think I've been taking caffeine for like pre-workout for like the whole year, dude. Or basically more than a year. So I mean,
Yeah, no, I remember I used to take it pretty much every day I trained, and I also got a tolerance to it. Now, I mean, like I told you, I only really use a pump pre-workout. I don't use the stimulant one.
but I also think, bro, I think it's like based off the fact that I'm just taking Hellfire. I'm not taking anything else.
Maybe.
So. Also, another thing, while Wayne's out, Wayne, 4829, bro. I promise you, I don't care what setup's happening. Me and Connor will not take a trade in between that last 15 minutes. No matter the setup, we will not. So, that's why we kind of deleted at like 38 minutes past, just because,
Give it a couple more minutes to do its thing, but if you're not in within the last 15-20 minutes, you rather don't want to get in at all.
Jared not joining us today.
It's probably busy. I remember you were saying that he's got a whole lot of
yeah.
DJing stuff to do, setting up.
He phoned me back. He was like, "What's up? What's wrong?" I was like, "Oh no, me and Connor just called to have a chat, bro." Some shit happened. And then I told him he went on the stream for the dub. He was like, "Oh, for fuck's sakes! So once I'm not there, you guys take a fat dub on gold." I'm like, "Well, sorry, sir." And then I told him, "Well, I know you would have been okay. I can't say that. But I know he would have been deep in that trade because it was a gold trade, not a GJ."
Yeah. Yeah, I would have liked that, I'm sure.
Yeah.
When was that?
When was that? It wasn't yesterday. Was no trade, and the day before. So, what the fuck's today?
Oh,
God, Wednesday.
it was here on Wednesday. That
And
was
that's
actually
so nice. You
that
know
was a
that.
pre-London trade.
But you know that was so nice because at the end of the day we ended up going like after the winning trade. We went and we did shit.
Yeah.
It was better than going when you lost. So yeah.
I think we secured perfectly here because I remember securing profit at 70 pips, and that's right at the
Yeah.
bottom of that wick before it came back up.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Literally, that one candle after that is literally the candle that put us out. I mean, yes, we did move stop losses to 20 pip profit. But I mean, at
Oh
the end
yeah,
of the day,
true.
if we didn't do that, it would have probably stopped us out on BE. So, but I mean, if that one candle never happened, we would have ran down to TP, you know that? Because I think the TP was 1622, if I'm not mistaken. And I think the low was 1621 something.
Yeah, that's true, eh?
So if that
It
one
did
candle
run
didn't
all
break
the
it
way
down,
down to targets basically for the
yeah.
rest of the day. Of the day. Thursday morning would have hit TP. Anyway,
Info trade.
info trade. We'll get it right. We'll get it right sometime.
What was that? What was our energy there? 1630 something. Yeah? 35, I think. But anyway, so how much pips would that have been? Like
200.
close to 200. Yeah. Wait, it would have been like 220.
Yeah, about 220.
That would have been sweet. With any runner, that would be lovely. So,
Sure.
5% runner making your full position back.
Literally.
That's just...
Yeah, well,
man,
GJ
I'm upset.
still bouncing off of this area, so if this hourly candle can flip and close bullish, I would definitely expect London Open to push us up here.
I really wanted to jump chest runner. I'm salty.
Yes. Dude, I can't even straighten my legs. My hamstrings are so sore.
I feel fine. We can go gym legs today again if you want to. I want the chest.
I can train quads. My quads are okay.
So now we know to hit hammies hard every time.
No, I want to hit quads.
We can hit quads and hammies hard, bro. I promise you that. Come there to Virgin, bro. Come join there, then I'll show you how I gym legs there. Cause fuck, there by your gym, you have to search for the stuff first to figure out what we're gonna do. I do like that single leg extensions. It's different.
Oh yeah, it is different. I don't really use it too much. I just prefer like the cable machine. The normal machine.
Yeah, well, I also like the that sitting hamstring thing we did. That thing is fucking lovely.
Yeah, that's nice, dude. I need one of those in front of my TV, so I can do hamstring curls when I'm watching TV, and then I need the calf thing by my desk so I can do calf raises while I'm stream.
Put a block underneath your desk so you can like, start lifting your legs up and down. You see the fucking laptop go up down. Lift the desk. Just for chat to understand what we're talking about. Connor's about 250 leg day sessions behind on calls. So no, I'm teasing. At least your calls aren't that bad, bro. You can be glad. It's not like the other monkeys in the gym that we see, bro. Those calls are ridiculously small.
Yeah. Nah, but I need to get them up though.
Look at the goal video. Your calls do not look bad, dude. So like, I just think you're overthinking it, to be honest.
Nah, it looks like you make me fucking insecure.
But I've played rugby my whole life. You can't compare those cards to mine. So. Yeah, that's Virgin Active on the beachfront by me, Wayne, bro. We got all the old school ways. There's no fucking rubbish shit like that. None of that stuff there. There by Yukon, I saw it's both rubber and steel, bro. I don't know if you noticed that.
What,
There by the
dumbbells?
no
Or plates?
plates. There by the squat rack, bro. They were rubber weights there by the squat rack. I don't know if you saw that.
Oh, yeah.
But like, remember when we
It's
were
only
doing
by
it
the
first?
squat rack, I think, that they have those rubber plates.
Yeah, but you know why they're there, bro? Remember when the first time we were there, we saw those people jumping there and you said, I probably wouldn't like this, Jen.
Yeah.
That's for PUSSYs like that.
Probably. Yo, nah, those kids.
And then we were dancing that one. One we saw the last time that we called the something to do with the album.
The what? Oh. I just don't understand why some people walk around the gym like they own the place.
Bruh, I'm new still, so I'm gonna let them stay. Don't want to be there to jump, pump the iron. You want to look like a female walking around with an actual male that tries to be hard, then that's on you, bro. You know what I mean? That's on you.
This fucking kid. Yo, if only you knew. Yo, background looks good now. No green screen noise.
Wait, what? When
Thanks,
was there ever been a green screen noise?
It was probably yesterday when my light was off. The power was off, so the lighting wasn't like on the green screen properly. You know what I mean? It needs proper lighting on it for it to really pick it up on the camera. So that's why yesterday it probably looked funky.
I mean, that's how it works. Yeah, that's dumb.
Nah, don't worry. Soon there's gonna be no green screen. You're just gonna see Lambos here behind me. Have you seen Manny Koshman's garage or his office? Yeah. Look like a Greek god now. I am. What are you talking about? This alerts won't go away here on my trading view. That's his office. Yeah. This is top tier. This guy doesn't play with cars. All of them are like one of ones. This is a one of one. Pagani Awara. I think it's a Hermes. Got like Hermes seats in that. Crazy P1. One of one Hermes Chiron. But yeah, this is literally the dude's office. Mad. DXY. Okay, so let's have a look at the dollar index real quick. We've been kind of ranging, kind of forming this trend line here, which we've broken out of this morning. You can see yesterday we closed bullish. No, we never closed bullish yesterday. Day before we closed nice bullish, forming support here. And then yesterday, weak bearish candle, but you have that wick to the downside showing signs of rejection. Moving up, we're breaking yesterday's highs. So it looks like we'll continue to see dollar strength. weekly candle looks like it might flip today. So yeah, maybe we do get a little bit of a drive down on gold if we do see that dollar strength. Mad charts. Nah, I never heard of him. Found a mad charts on IG, looks like a scammer. Sorry, a marketer, I mean. Like a marketer selling signals and that, you know. Yeah, of course he sells signals. Maybe I've got the wrong guy. I'm gonna top that. $1 million month at 24. I'm gonna do it at 23. Hourly candle still respecting highs here on gold, flipping back bearish right before we close. Yeah, we can still work with this. Potential sell stops on the break of the lows here. GJ still ranging. So the reason I'd be happy to have sell stops on the break of these lows still, instead of waiting for a closure below support, is that your hourly candles are still closing bearish here. And looking to the left, this is clean traffic, so once we start to break the lows, we should be seeing some volume here. So let's see. Sell stops are going to be back on the break of the lows here at 16.19. On my broker, I'm going to have them at 16.19.80. And stop loss will be above previous hourly highs for 30 pips. Targets are also about 30 pips, and then there is potential for runners here if we break below 16.16. I'll close 75% at 16.16 and then leave runners potentially into maybe even 1600. No top wick on gold. It's a baby top wick here.
On a
Yeah.
sell stop 1980, bar stop 2280. Shit, you know you should do that, eh? I should choose my ranges and put a sell stop or bar stop, and then whichever way it breaks is the way I get in on it.
I mean, it could work. It could work today, I reckon.
That's why I was laughing, because it could maybe work. But yeah.
Chat, what you say? Should we try it?
Previous hour just closed with a berry, so I mean that's quite nice. So yeah. Bar stop and sell stop, we say. We wait for the market to put us in it, huh? Go make breakfast after you do that, man.
Yeah, I'll just end stream.
In stream, bar stop, sell stop, leave them in the way, fine.
One of them has to win. Ah, there goes my power.
Oh, we're gonna see some.
We're gonna be in the dark here. It should wait a bit and break. If it breaks like this, might just stay away. It's Friday. Yeah, that's alright if you want to stay away on a Friday. I'm comfortable for sales to 16.16, but at 16.16 I definitely want to be securing something here. I'm not really expecting to have crazy runners today. It is a Friday, but price action looks like we should tap into these previous lows right here. Am I from Durban? No, I'm not. Stops are about 32 pips. Since how many months, years are you into impulse entries? I've been trading like this for about 2 years. What do you think about FTMO?
Is this an impulse entry?
Yeah, I would say this is an impulse entry because we never got that closure below the range here on like a lower time frame, but basing it more off the higher time frame, like hourly. Anticipating us to fill the range once we break these lows with London open volume. FTMO, obviously well established funding company, never used them, but they must be pretty good, I'm sure. I've always used my Forex funds and I've had no problems with my Forex funds. I think FTMO has been around a bit longer, but you can't go wrong with either. My Forex funds just, I think, has more competitive prices and also better drawdown restrictions, a little bit more lenient restrictions and targets. At least we came up and created a top wick here on the hourly. Still respecting this area right here. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good, chat. Wow, moving. Got slipped. I got slipped like 3 pips, 4 pips. So our cells are activated here with quite a lot of volume. I got slipped. I don't know about you, chat.
Just as also it's slow. Fuck. Yeah, just as well. Slip. How much supposed to get slip on?
My entry is 16, 19, 46. So like
almost 44, bro. So
nearly 4 pips.
Oh. What, bro? Could have been 4 pips in profit. No.
Back into profit, just about.
So now, it moves stop loss down with 4 pips. I'm joking.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, I just hear Carl, away, chilled.
Like that spark down if that's what it was with you.
Yeah?
I don't like how it sparked down.
Yeah. And didn't continue to drive.
Like a spawn in of like that.
Yeah, literally. Well, if we break current candle highs, I'll definitely manage risk here.
I mean, it's just because we got slut 4 pips that the position looks bad.
Yeah, fuck's sakes.
That's the only thing that makes me look a bit bad. The fuck is annoying. Ay.
Come on, you bitch. Prediction for gold. I don't really predict. I just react. And right now, taking sells on the break of these lows, anticipating price to move into 16.16. Only went in at 1944. Yeah, mine's in at 1946. They still look alright here. If we can re-break the lows, we should be good. $15-minute candle's also about to close. I would like to see us close below support here in 1.5 minutes. Yeah, Damon, that might have paid. Let's see, if you close like this, you could definitely still get entries. Yeah, I think we're breaking those lows, so here we go, driving down quick, nice and easy. Are we gonna tap targets here at 16.760? I'm gonna secure 75% and move stops to break even.
1676.
760.
Volume coming in now though.
15-minute candle close, pulled back a little bit before we closed. So let's see, can we fill this wick and tap targets? If you've secured, well done, nice trade. I'm still holding here with the full position.
Oh yeah, I said literally went to like, well, from our slip position went like 21 pips.
Yeah, I'm thinking I should have secured on that 15-minute candle closure.
Yeah, maybe, but I think before 30 closes, will come back to the low.
Yeah, I should have closed 75%, Damien, you're right. You are right. Yeah, you know, in trading, when you're trading like this and when things are moving quickly, you have to be very decisive. But this new 15-minute came up very quickly, and I was wanting to hold into 760. So I'm just keeping an eye here on the 1 minute, because if we start to break 16.25.50, we might start having some problems. I mean, it makes sense to retest this previous support, but if we start to break, or if this 30 minutes starts to flip or break its own high, then we may be in some trouble. But I know you guys have been here for some time. Close 50%, went to break even. You see, you guys are doing the right things. You can think for yourself.
No, but like the level of 16, 16, 17 makes so much sense though. Like, it's low. I really thought it would also wick you that.
Yeah, at least.
Oh, I see, chat did do the right thing. See what you're talking about. That's dope.
Yeah, chat knows.
Waiting into BE. I think that means.
Stopped out
You
at
got-
break even.
Yeah, but you secured 50%. So that's dope.
Nico,
Yeah.
I opened an account with RC.
Yeah, it was that's dope. Spreads are not like, I don't know if you've traded it, but did you see their gold spreads and shit?
It's like 1 pip right now.
You'll see it will go down to 6, like just over half a pip sometimes.
What do you use? The raw spread.
Gold spread. Yeah. What's your leverage? Why you see what I do?
1:200.
Telling you, bro, it's 30 minutes and it closed down there.
I hope so. I may need to manage risk shortly.
I mean, like now.
I think once we start to flip on this 30-minute, yeah, I'm going to close 50%
Yeah, like now.
right now. Right, so 50% closed. Negative 16 pips. Definitely could have managed this trade a bit better. As we break the highs here, I'm going to close full. So, a little lesson in
Decision making.
decision making. That's it. So unfortunately went into profit. Definitely could have managed this better. But as things do go against us, yeah, at least we not taking a full stop. So a little bit of a shitty one to end the week, but yeah, doing what we need to do. Well done to everyone who did secure profits there. Yeah, well played. Go make your bag in USD CAD. Make a bag in GJ. I'm holding a swing trade on GJ. Currently up. Nico, you know I'm basically flipping this RC account.
Really?
Mm.
Oh shit, so you're not joking either?
No, I'm not joking. I'm gonna send you a screenshot.
This was a swing trade, you said?
Yeah, I hope it'll be a swing trade.
This is cold moving now, bro.
This may be just a reaction off of the lows here. Otherwise, there might be something going on.
See. That's sick, eh? Hoping it's.
Yeah. I'm thinking to even just close.
I mean.
Yeah, I'm gonna close like 60% of that.
Don't you close 2 positions and you go on?
Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Just lost it. That's the nice thing with your own account is you can actually like leave in swing trades and all of that. Looks like we may close above here on a 30 minutes in 4 minutes on GJ. No, I never had a buy stop on GJ. I was in a trade from yesterday. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, we could close above here on GJ, which looks good for bars, but I've already taken a loss for today. It's a Friday. I'm gonna call it a day right here. If we do close above, what I would be looking for if I were taking positions is a nice steep bottom wick, so I could use current candle stops. Trying to use previous candle stops here, it's going to be like 60 pip stop loss, so I'd really like to see that retracement on the open of the new 30-minute candle, maybe retesting this previous resistance area before then driving up, and then you can have stops below that current candle, so something like that. Otherwise, thank you guys for joining today. To those who secured some profit here in gold, once again, well done. Proud of you guys for, thinking for yourself, making these decisions for yourself. Obviously, these are my trades. I'm human. Maybe I'll make a mistake. Doesn't mean you need to make the same mistake. So well done to everyone who took the initiative to do the right things here today. I'm really proud of some of you guys. Alrighty, that's gonna be me. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Cheers, everybody.